Hey there, future entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Welcome back to the 15x Mentor channel, your go-to destination for valuable insights and strategies to kickstart and scale your business ventures. I'm Abraham, your mentor on this exciting journey, and today we have a game-changing topic lined up for you: how to start a business and scale it for explosive growth. Starting and scaling a business can be a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to break it down into actionable steps, providing you with the roadmap to turn your dreams into a thriving reality. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to level up or someone contemplating their first venture, this video is packed with insights that can transform your business game. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and strategies for entrepreneurial success. 1. Setting the foundation. Every successful business starts with a solid foundation. In this first segment, we'll explore the crucial steps to take before launching your business. From identifying your niche to conducting market research, we'll guide you through the process of laying the groundwork for a business that stands the test of time. 2. Crafting a killer business plan. With the foundation set, it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of crafting a killer business plan. We'll discuss the key components, including your mission statement, target audience, and revenue model. Plus, we'll share tips on creating a plan that not only impresses investors, but also serves as your roadmap for success. 3. Launching with impact. The launch phase is make or break for many businesses. In this segment, we'll explore effective strategies to launch your business with impact. From building a strong online presence to leveraging social media, we'll equip you with the tools to make a splash in the market. 4. Scaling strategies for explosive growth. Once your business is up and running, it's time to shift gears and focus on scaling for growth. We'll delve into proven strategies to take your business to the next level, covering topics like expanding your product service line, optimizing operations, and tapping into new markets. 5. Overcoming challenges. No entrepreneurial journey is without challenges. In this segment, we'll discuss common hurdles and provide practical tips on overcoming them. From managing finances to navigating competition, we've got you covered. 6. Q&A and community engagement. Finally, we'll open the floor to your questions and engage with our amazing community. If you have specific concerns or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Your success is our priority.